Hey guys, there's a lot to discover if you take a closer look at betta fish. Let's start with the eyes, because they're the windows to the souls, or whatever. Betta see in color vision. They also have monocular vision, which means each eye sees a completely different image. This gives them a wider field of view, but it takes away from their depth perception. In other words, they see more, but the world looks flat. This type of vision may also be found in certain types of Homo sapiens. We call them flat earth believers. Now for those fanciful fins. Aside from looking pretty, each fin is important to the betta. The dorsal, the ventral, the pectoral, and the anal fin, they all help in stabilizing the fish. Many of these fins also have additional roles, such as the pectoral fins. They help the fish look cute. Help in propulsion. As for the caudal fin, it gives the fish a strong push for fast movements. Fins regenerate very quickly. They are also the first parts to go when they fight. Okay, take my word for this. Don't start any betta fish fight. It is cruel. Even if the fins can regrow, it is still very stressful for the fish. A stressful fish can easily become sick. And that's really sad. One of the most spectacular features of betta fish are their colors. A betta fish's colors are caused by little cells called chromatophores. These are pigment-containing and light-reflecting cells found in a lot of animals, including fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Erythrophores are yellow, xanthophores are red or orange, iridophores, also known as guanophores, are bright blue or green. Leucophores generally appear as white, and finally the color black is a result of the melanophores. These are all the excuses you need to collect more betta fish. If anyone asks, just repeat what I mentioned. Right now, I bet you're thinking, what about that pouty mouth? Alright, I know you weren't thinking that, but now you are. Betta fish have an upturned mouth. The upside is that it helps them catch their prey, including many water-bound and water surface insects. The downside is that they always look gloomy. The oddly named Labyrinth Organ is very similar to a human lung. It is how and why betta fish can breathe atmospheric air by gulping at the surface. To put it in context, while we humans need oxygen tanks to go into the water, betta fish are fully prepared to breathe air above and underwater. How awesome is that? Now, but wait a moment. Before you buy a brand new leash to walk your betta fish, remember that they don't have legs and they still need water. Interestingly, betta fry are not born with the labyrinth organ. It takes them 3 to 6 weeks to develop them. But the older they get, the more they rely on it.